How can I fix the ADT alarm communication failure issue?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many ADT users encounter, the dreaded communication failure error. This problem can be frustrating, but don't worry. By following the steps we outline in this video, you should be able to troubleshoot and solve this issue on your own. Remember, safety should always be your first concern, so if you're unsure about any step, please contact a professional for help.
What is an ADT alarm communication failure?
An ADT alarm communication failure occurs when your alarm system is unable to communicate with the ADT monitoring center. This usually happens when there's an interruption in the communication link between your system and the monitoring center, often due to a problem with your phone line, internet connection, or cellular backup system. It's crucial to fix this issue promptly as it prevents your system from notifying the monitoring center in the event of an emergency.
Common causes and how to identify them.
Most commonly, an ADT communication failure is caused by one of the following. 1. Phone line trouble. This could be due to a cut line or a problem with the phone company. 2. Internet connection failure. If your system uses internet communication, any interruption in your internet service could trigger this error. 3. Cellular backup failure. If your system uses a cellular backup and the signal is weak or absent, this could also be the issue. To identify the cause, check the status of your phone line, internet, and cellular connection. Look for any signs of damage or service interruption. You could also try to reset your router if you suspect an internet issue.
How to fix the issue.
Let's now dive into how to fix this issue. Here are the steps. 1. Reset your system. Start by resetting your ADT system. This can often clear minor errors. 2. Check the phone line. If your system is connected through a phone line, check to make sure it's plugged in securely and there are no visible damages. You might want to try a different phone line to rule out a problem with the line itself. 3. Check the internet connection. If you're using an internet-based system, ensure your internet connection is stable. You might need to reset your router or modem. 4. Check cellular backup. If your system uses a cellular backup, make sure the system has a good signal. If the signal is weak, you may need to relocate the system or get a signal booster. 5. Contact ADT support. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact ADT support. They can assist with more complex troubleshooting and repairs. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and troubleshooting the ADT alarm communication failure issue. Remember, always prioritize your safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Stay safe and have a great day.